Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Advanced IP Scanner on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google in this case. And I'm going to go on to Google here, and I'm going to just type in Advanced IP Scanner, and you want to just hit enter. One of the best matches for the domain here should say advanced/ipscanner.com. You want to just open that up. Again, definitely recommend you get it directly through the makers of the software here. So basically, it's just a reliable and free network scanner to analyze your LAN network connection, and it's definitely a useful utility in many cases. So we're just going to select the free download button on the front of the page. If you're finding any downloads that are asking for donations or compensation, it's probably not the right download. Just going to put that out there. And you want to make sure you're not clicking on any advertisements or anything that are looking like it's the download. So once it's done, it looks like it's executable about a few megabytes here, so not too big. I'm just going to run the file. And now that we have the installer up, I'm going to select my language from the list. Click on OK. So you have two options here. If you want a portable version, you just select the run, or you can install it. So really a personal preference here. I'm going to just install it, and then left click on next. After you've looked through the end user license agreement terms, just accept the agreement and then install. If you receive a user account control prompt, make sure to verify publisher, which it is. Just left click on yes to confirm. Shouldn't take too much more time from here. And at this point, you just run the Advanced IP Scanner by keeping this check mark filled in, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.